Hello, welcome my beautiful family back again. Thank you so much for returning, and I appreciate you. You know that. Much love, much love. And to anyone that is new and you just seeing me for the first time, welcome, and thank you for joining me. I appreciate your time. Yes, my name is Sheila. I'm on this sustainable journey here. It's a lifestyle. And I have another quick video for you, and if you're interested to see what I'm talking about, it's about the laundry, right? I just made another video real quick, and it's another little part that I wanted to show you. So if you're interested, hey, stay tuned, keep watching. Okay, here we go. All right, first I would like to say thank you so much for all the subscribers. I have 23 subscribers, and yes, I feel blessed. I do, because it just shows that, everybody has similar interests, or we have certain, curiosities that, you might say, hey, maybe I can learn from someone, or someone can teach you something. And I'm on a journey, and I know so many people is on different journeys in their life, especially now. And we're all looking for a way to enhance our life, to live a better quality of life. And yes, I am doing it, as you know, is through thrifting and Poshmark as part of one avenue. But there's many other things that I'm doing, and making my own laundry detergent. If you haven't seen that, take a look at that video, because this is going to be a little bit of a continuation of that. Yes, and I do other little things for my laundry, and I'm trying it out, see what I like, what I don't like, what's going to be sustainable for me. Okay, with that being said, I am back with here it came off, right? The laundry detergent. All right, now I just said I was gonna come back and let you know. I'm trying it. You see how thick that thing is? It really gets thick. So I have a spoon. When I have to put it into my laundry detergent, laundry to wash, it's like this. So when the water is hitting it, I have to still kind of crush it up a little bit. It doesn't get that sudsy. I'm gonna tell you right now. It does clean the clothes. It smells fresh. It's just not that real sudsy, heavy duty suds and all of that. If you that type of person, it's not for you, because it won't do that. It will wash your clothes. But you see how thick that is? So I've been trying another way on my own, because I know you can't make it like a liquid form as well. And that's what I'm going to show you. I have it in here. It looks like a gel almost. Let me see if you can see that, right? And that's because, if I can just bring it up like that. You see, it's almost like a jelly. That's how thick that is. But that's how I've been using it. And it's been easier for me because it breaks up into the water. It's easier. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how I just do this. Just in case you happen to try making this and you're not happy with that. You say, I would like it to be, a little easier. This is what I'm going to show you. All right. So I'm going to bring it to the blender. I'm going to bring it down. And this is, just want to make sure. I have to get back in. We're going to do that in a minute. That's so far real quick. Okay. And it's really easy. Really. I am taking a couple of scoops. Like I said, this will last you for a while. If you are just using 1 tablespoon, like this, a big tablespoon, that's why I look at it. I use 2 in my laundry now. Yeah, because, like everyone else, I still want to make sure that it's doing its job. But I end up taking, oops, sorry for that, sorry. 2, let me get one knife. Taking 2 of this, and let me just grab this so I won't bang it. So, to me, when I do it this way, it's for 1 load. That's a 1 load. If I wanted to make it even thicker, I would add in a couple of more extra tablespoons to make it really thick. Add the water, and it will still gel up, right? And I know maybe I would use half of the jar for one load. So in other words, this jar is like for 2 loads of clothes. And I'm only going to do, to show you what it looks like, that's for 1 load for me. Which is easy. Now I have this already in here. I should take this out because I like filling up the jar with the water and then blending. So that is what I'm going to do. 1 second. I should get a towel. I'm just going to take this out. Okay. Now I'm already getting messy. But if you don't get your hands dirty, I don't think you're living over. No, that's just my opinion. I'm not going to say nothing. I don't want nobody telling me nothing because they don't get their hands dirty. I'm not judging. That's just me. All right. And I just going to, it's a little bit warm, this water. I'm going to fill it up to the shoulder, almost to the rim, with the water. And that's it. How easy. And where I do with the top. Hello. What I do with this top? Isn't this funny? Now I gotta cut all this out because I'm sitting here looking for a top. What I do with my top? Hold on. Alright. We're gonna top it. And I'm just gonna blend. Immediately, you can just pour it right into your wash and it's fine. And that's it. Look how easy is that. Oh boy, that's not right. Okay. It wasn't on tight, and that's what happens when you don't do that. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to lift it. Make sure everything is nice and tight. You see how that is? What is going on? I don't think the rim is the little what you call it in correctly. And then I'm going to let that settle, because it will settle. And now, I'm going to clean real quick as that settles. I made a mess. And I'm just cleaning. And it's soap once again, so my counters has always seem to be very clean lately. I'm just wiping this down. And you see, it's going to start to settle down. I will add the rest as it does. Let me just see, make sure that's okay. And I let it settle. And I'll just come back to the last of it as it begins to settle. And then it will actually gel up. I use this spoon for the same thing. But it will gel up, just like that. And it just makes it easier for it to break down into the laundry. Alright, so, and that's the last of that. It's going down. it sit. This, I'm just going to put out into the laundry. I need to wash anyway, so I will be finishing that up. See how this is going. And as you see, the suds is beginning to settle and it's beginning to get more liquidy. And I'm trying to have y'all see. I'm just trying to whip through everything because I have, like I said, I have a lot on my plate today. Especially with these eggs I have over here. I want to get them going. And the rest of that, I would just be washing this out. That's not even an issue. Yeah. I will put it on. I'm going to let it sit. And this is it. It will sit around for a day or so, and it will start, as it continues to set, it will get to be this jelly type detergent. Okay. All right, that's enough. That's enough. All right, we are going to move on. Like I said, I have a lot of things to do. And this right now, I don't need until the next time. I need to make a little bit more of this when I need to wash. Okay, so let me bring you up. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this quick little demo. If you happen to make this and you wanted to try it that way, give it a shot. If not, it was just fun. It was just fun bringing it to you, showing you some craziness that I'm doing. I'm always experimenting with something. But thank you for joining me. And yeah, many blessings to you. Stay safe and much love. Always, always. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. So until the next time, thank you so much. And bye. Okay.